How to stream your video over the internet using VLC. I set up video streaming on a desktop computer and used a laptop to test the results. On the desktop, follow these steps. Open Network Stream file. Add your video file. Open. Stream. Next. HTTP. Customize port 12341. Enable display locally. Next. Disable, activate transcoding. Profile. MP4. Next. Stream. Stream. Next. Forward the port on your router. Forward the port you just set up on VLC. Service name. VJ. IP address. IP address of the desktop computer streaming video using VLC. 12341. 12341. Save. Next. Find the public IP address. This is my public IP address. Complete VLC setup on the desktop. Next, I tested the results on the laptop. Network public IP address. Port. Play. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.